Are you ready to transform your passion for teaching into a thriving online career? Introducing the ultimate guide to becoming a master of online teaching. With our comprehensive online course written by one of the most experienced online educators in the UK, you'll learn the time-tested strategies and techniques to captivate your students and create an unforgettable learning experience. Whether you're a seasoned educator, looking to make the switch to virtual teaching, or a newcomer eager to explore the world of online education, or simply wanting to reflect on your techniques, this course is for you. Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your full potential as an online educator and future leader. Enroll now and join the ranks of successful online teachers around the world. Visit our website today and take the first step toward becoming a master of online teaching. Your students are waiting to engage more fully with you.